What happened? I thought the picture was on fire. He's on the throat. He's on this water.
It's ready to go on fire.
Yeah.
Burn up the gas feet. Burn up the gas feet.
No, it's the 4th of July.
I know.
Just expression. Calm down.
I mean, the boat in the storm. The fire was Hey, those, we in the clear? You want to go look at those,
Oh yeah, the woods.
Is the boat on fire
Look,
yet?
it's about to go that way. Oh, it's going.
They're gonna light off the fireworks. Fireworks are going off in the background. Fireworks are big now. We don't have that fireworks.
Eventually.
And there's a boat on top of that. We just can't see it because it's on camera and I can see it right now. The fireworks are going off in the background. There's stuff. What's ashes and stuff in the fire. The boat's not on fire yet.
It's starting to, isn't it, Steve?
And the boat's
Yep.
starting to go on fire.
would have been a nice boat.
He has the money.
Yeah, it's getting old and stuff.
Look at this.
Look, here it goes.
The boat's on fire now, guys.
That's cool. Here goes up in flames.
Good riddance, right?
Good riddance. Doesn't be up for 10 years.
Go hugging on that one, Dad? No. Oh, man.
No, it's just set in the yard. Set in the yard, collect the stuff.
Happy 4th of July!
Woohoo!
Happy 4th of July! There goes fireworks!
Damn.
There you go. Fun stuff.
It goes.
The boat's on fire good now, ladies and gentlemen. We could roast some marshmallows and that.
Too dangerous for that.
Happy 4th of July!
Welcome Fire Day. You can do it.
Happy 4th of July! Ah.
Take it around.
Oh my God! I wonder how the boat's gonna look at the end.
Good job, buddy.
Damn. Look at that. Look at that.
There you go, buddy. Nice job zooming in. Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice job zooming in, buddy.
Look at the black.
Is it?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Okay. That looks cool.
It looks like a bomb went off. Hot? It's almost burnt up. Yeah, come on.
It's hot.
Happy 4th of July!
I'm hot now.
I know, me too.
I'm getting sunburned.
There goes our boat.
Standing down there.
Oh, the smoke's getting over here.
Angle where it's missing everything.
Uh-oh. Alright.
So hot.
There's no oil in that at all. The grass is getting on fire.
I was going to say, how are you guys down there? There's not enough water to get me down there right now. That's camera taking, buddy. And I'm going to help.
Sure is. It's supposed to, Ma. It's supposed to.
It's almost
You're trying to put some of it out.
no more boats, Artie! No more boats. Jackass! That's gonna calm down now. That's not bad. Oh. That makes it dry and flat.
Done now. Shut off. The video shut off, man. Mine said off.
Did it?
Because it had so much time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You done?
Can I watch it?
You can do another one.
No, I want to watch it.
No, we're not gonna watch it now.
Okay, I'm just going to watch it.
Man, that thing was quick, wasn't it?
Gone. It's gone.
I think it's quite awesome. Hell yeah. What's that? Put oil in it too. Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, so it's gonna take forever. Thought we got put oil in it. Yeah, I know. Douse with oil. Hey, what a crowd it brought.
They're doing a huge show in Bristol tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And East Providence as well. Oh, there it is. That's East Providence right there. Doing that, some kind of beer farm.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What is that, a snake?
Hose.
Look at the flame in the air, June.
Look, one of the lamps. The lamp is there? On fire? Moving?
Sick. Come on.
And as close as I can, I don't get hot that much.
Good.
This'll keep the bugs away, huh? Yeah.
Why you laughing? No. Because I do have water.
Come up here.
I want water.
All right, well, you get water in a little bit.
Stop choking them. Ah!
So get up, buddy.
Come here, come over
here.
this way.
Stand up.
Why are you over that way anyway?
I think it was your tooth, was it? I don't know.
I don't know, wipe it. Wipe on the grass.
Look at watch all the oh, look at all the lances coming. Look at all the oh yeah. Dude, lances coming this way.
That one, that one.
Yeah. That's what we tried right off last night, but the wind. Oh my God, the wax caught a fire. And it dropped off to the lantern. And, yeah, it was ridiculous. Dad, that's the biggest bonfire in the world.